Hello, my name is Aishwarya Chaitanya Chanda. I have completed Bachelor's in Engineering from Information Technology stream in 2018 with an aggregate of 74%. After completion the graduation, I joined Wipro as an associate engineer wherein the work profile was much related to networking. We used to configure PCP routines and help the offshore engineer to resolve the network related issues. But due to some distance issues and my wedding, I was unable to continue the work. So resigned in 2019. It was total 9 months journey with Wipro. Coming to my family background, I am living with my in laws and recently delivered a baby boy in 2020 October. So it was total 1 year gap to upskill my knowledge and again continue the career. I thought to join eVision TechnoServe OJT program. In that, they are teaching different IT infrastructure related things. So, we have attended the sessions of CCNA routing and switching, cyber security, networking basics, and Windows administration. We learned many different things in CCNA routing and switching. We have learned domain joining, ADDS Active Directory domain services, configuration of DHCP server. Then we have also learned how to handle file transfer protocol in a work group. We have done hands-on practice in this with the software of VMware. Virtually, we have installed the operating systems and simultaneously we have handled two different operating systems and tried sharing files from one operating system to another. In this, we have also learned about the legacy and UEFI bias related things, wherein we have also learned about the troubleshooting of Windows and computer related troubleshooting issues like blue screen of death, that is BSOD problem. This problem occurs when the computer is about to start. Before starting or before booting, this problem occurs of blue screen of death. So this was one of the example which we have learned in troubleshooting. There were many such examples like printer troubleshooting, then computer troubleshooting, and also motherboard, then CPU related troubleshooting issues, wherein we have also learned about how to fix the RAM. If there is a beeping sound, then that issue is also there in troubleshooting. Then in cybersecurity, we are learning different hacking techniques. Means we are learning this from TryHackMe website. In that we have learned about information gathering through Nmap and GoBuster tool and many different tools such as Harvester and different hacking techniques we are learning. Without BitLocker is also there where unknowingly we can lock the drives so no one can steal our data from that. It is a type of security. So in cyber security we have learned that also, and still the sessions are going on, so we are still learning. In CCNA routing and switching, we have also learned about the different routing algorithms such as EIGRP, OSPF. In Windows administration, we have learned about uh, event viewers and ticketing tools, how to create ticket, how to raise the ticket. Ticket is nothing but the problem that we are facing. So for resolving that problem, we need to raise a ticket and get the problem resolved within particular time by assigning the priority. There are different priorities for resolving the ticketing issues. Like this, many things we are going to learn in future also. Still the training is going on. So now we have learned deeply about CCNA, cyber security and Windows administration. But further we are also going to learn about the basics of cloud computing, such as the cloud platforms like AWS, GCP and Azure. So hoping to learn many new things further and upskill the knowledge. Till now, I'm 80 to 90% sure about all the technologies taught till now, and using that knowledge, I can easily secure a job in IT infrastructure related job profile. So assure my 100% performance and try my best till the end to secure a job in in a MNC. So it was a great learning time. Till now the training is going on. Still there are many sessions remaining. So looking forward to upskill more knowledge. Thank you for giving this opportunity of recording a video and sending this to you.